Hello and welcome to another Paramics Discovery tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at lane and turn restrictions. So in Paramics Discovery we've got a restrictions editor where we can set different restrictions for the model. So you can see I've got a restriction for a closed lane. I've also got a restriction for a low bridge with a maximum height of 3 meters. So I'm going to add another one. This is going to be a restriction for public transport only, meaning that wherever we apply this, other vehicle types won't be able to use that lane or that turn. Now I can set the public transport at specific times of day, so you can see for an hour in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. And I'm going to give that a colour so that we can see it clearly when we apply it onto the network. So I'll close my restrictions dialog and I'm going to select a link here and go to properties, and we can now see in the properties dialog we've got a lane restriction. So I can choose any of my restrictions and apply it to a specific lane, in this case lane 1. I can also apply that to a turn at a junction. So I'll turn my nodes on, edit junction, and select a movement or a turn, and you can see you can select that in the list or on the network there. And at the bottom right hand corner I can apply a restriction. Again, I'll apply my PT only, so that means that only the buses, only the public transport will turn left at this junction. Okay, in the Visualize tab we'll refresh that and we can see the lane restriction there. We can also see a closed restriction at the top and the low bridge at the bottom right hand corner. So I'm going to start the simulation, set some traffic running, and we'll just look at the route going through that turn, that left turn that we set. You can see that the traffic has to reroute around that, but at 8 o'clock when the restriction's finished, then vehicles can turn left. And you can see that the cars will make that left turn because that restriction is no longer applied. So that's lane and turn restrictions in Paramics Discovery. It's coming, version 17, in November 2016, and you can download it and try it from our website then. Thanks very much.